get ready with me to do this look here. I already started my face because I just figured that I would film this a little bit, so I'm gonna describe the products to you right now. Concealer. I did Wet n Wild Incognito concealer, and then I put a dot on each eye because this is a little bit too dark for me because I'm pale. And 16 Hour Camo Concealer. Anyway, I did that, and then for powder, I did Coty Airspun powder on top. Also, I dyed my hair. I don't know if you can tell, it's like burgundy, red, dark. I like it a lot. Anyways, I decided to take out a second mortgage and buy the Hoola XL. That's like literally half of my face. I'm taking the Hoola bronzer and just applying a little bit to my face. Also, I realized that I didn't mention the brush. I'm using a Morphe R2. That's what I applied my bronzer with. I also closed the window because I felt like the light was weird. And then I'm going to do, I think it's Rose d'Oro. Yeah, Rose d'Oro blush by Milani. It's like a baked blush. You can see like there's like sheen in it. And then this is a new brush that I picked up. It's the Morphe V115. Cute little tapered brush. And I'm just gonna apply that to my cheeks. And I'm filling in my eyebrows with the Morphe 25A palette. I am using this shade that is very much loved, and I'm afraid that I'm not gonna have a similar shade to it. I gotta find another one. And I'm using the Pixie Beauty. Oh god, does it not even have a name anymore? Oh, it's, oh, not Pixie, it's Luxie. Oh my god, the name is so rubbed off. 245! I am blending in this really warm brown with the Morphe M505. It is this shade right here from the Il Maquillage palette that is super reflective, ew, and full of freaking fingerprints. It is the Color Boss Master Palette, 8-dimensional color. And with the Morphe M53, I'm taking this really dark brown shade and I'm just applying it here to my outer corner. I'm lifting this just because I have slightly hooded eyes and I like to blend right in here because they can get a little patchy sometimes. But yeah, but you guys will probably see more of my personality because I miss these types of videos. I used to do these types of videos all the time. So Morphe E13, I'm just dragging that color on my lower lash line. Taking the Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced and this random brush with 2 rhinestones on it. I'm just gonna take the white shade and pop it on my brow bone. And I'm gonna take the skin, or my skin color, shade and apply it right underneath to kind of make a sharp line. And then I took this really light shade from the palette and I put it all over my lid. I just applied Maybelline Colossal Mascara, like one tiny thin coat, and realizing that it's doing nothing for my lashes. And then I remember how much I've outgrown this mascara and how much I really don't like it. So I'm gonna get my tried and true mascara and apply that. Do you see how Lash Paradise fixed my lash problem? Very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. I also just got this MAC lipstick, so I'm gonna apply that. It's in the shade Sophistry. I don't know. Did you fucking hear that noise that just came out of my throat? This is way too dark for what I want, so I'm going to take the ColourPop Lippy Stick in Dream Date, and I'm going to apply that in the center. And then I put the shade Parker right on top. So I added some powder to kind of bake on my face, and then I added a couple little freckles. And then from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Self-Made palette, I just added a little bit of extra oomph, something to match my hair a little bit. Metallic Plum. I just put that right in the outer corner.